Welcome back to the Cobra Trading channel, everyone, where we focus on people, passion, and platforms. I'm Alex Bustos, and today we're going to be talking about the two different fee structures for holding the stock overnight and why this is important for you to understand, especially if you're a swing trader. Let's get started. So there are two different models when it comes to holding the stock overnight and the way firms calculate their fees. There's the locate multiplier and there's a short interest model. We at Cobra Trading focus on the short interest, which we believe is the most beneficial for anyone who wants to hold a stock overnight because it favors the trader. Which there's a locate multiplier that is a little different and more favored towards the broker, and I'm going to explain that here in a second. The locate multiplier works like this. Whatever you pay per share when you first borrow your shares, whether it's 3 cents, 4, 5, the firm decides we're going to charge a multiplier of 2, 3, all the way up to 7. So if you paid 3 cents a share and the multiplier is 7 to hold overnight, then you just multiply the 2 and you're paying 21 cents a share to hold overnight. Now, if you're a swing trader and you're holding overnight, this is so important for you to understand because this means you're paying significantly more to hold overnight than you would with another model called the short interest. Now I'm going to show you the short interest rate model that we believe here at Cobra favors the trader. And here's how it works. The total number of shares you're going to be holding overnight times the closing price of the stock times short interest rate, which we give you when you reach out to us on our live chat feature at cobratrading.com. Once you calculate this number, you divide it by 360. That's the total you're going to pay overnight. Now, the next time that you're going to be holding a stock overnight, feel free to reach out to us here at cobratrading.com and ask us what the short interest rate is. And we'll be more than happy to tell you. And in fact, we'd be happy to even calculate this for you and give you the total amount that you would be paying holding overnight, as long as you can tell us the amount of shares that you plan to hold. I hope now you understand the importance of understanding which model you're paying for. And if you have any questions about this at all, feel free to reach out to any of us at cobratrading.com. As I mentioned, we're happy to help you. And if you like this content, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified for future videos. Take care.